Want to know how to make an AI agent rewrite your text in AgentGPT or Reworked? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. First things first, just simply open up your AI or AgentGPT website and you should be right here under your interface. And now once you're here, you can just simply name your agent anything that you like. So since you are rewriting the text, just simply type in anything. And now under the code, you need to just simply paste this prompt right here that I'm about to write. Now just simply paste the text that you want to rewrite. And then select enter. And now once after you enter, as you can see right here, your AgentGPT should start thinking and it should start executing and it should rewrite your text properly, as you can see right here. And once it is finished, it will just simply show you properly, as you can see. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more similar videos.